everyone, welcome back. Welcome after a month-long gap. And first of all, thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. Secondly, I know I've been very inconsistent over the past 1 month actually, but this time I did not do it on purpose. I had my exam, so my entire focus shifted towards my preparation because obviously I had my finals, so I had to shift my focus to that. Okay, so today's video is going to be about a mini unboxing. Now, most of you have heard about a specific book buying application which is called BookChore, wherein you must have seen many booktubers getting some very good titles at a very affordable and reasonable rates. So this time, I also thought that why not let's just shop from BookChore. Plus, there are many book buying apps which give you very good titles, and also they are in pretty good condition, but the prices are extremely high. So, but BookChore, on the other hand, is budget friendly. You get very good titles at the reasonable prices. Of course, the condition may vary, the prices may vary according to the condition of the book you choose to place your order for. But yeah, if you are thinking for placing your order for some books which you want to get your hands on, then I think BookChore is a very good option. Also, before starting the video, I want to tell you that this is not a sponsored video. I have bought these books from my own money, and yeah, before opening the parcels, I just want you to know that I shall be mentioning the price and the condition of the book on the screen bar. So yeah, you can check that out. And now, without any further delay, let's start with it. Alright, so this is the parcel which I'm going to unbox for you guys. Actually, I received it a few months back only, but then I didn't have time, or maybe I was engaged in some work, which is why I couldn't unbox it then. But yeah, today I'll be unboxing it for you guys. I think this contains 5 books if I'm not mistaken, because I had placed 5 books only as far as I remember. So yeah, without any delay, let's open it and show you guys which all titles did I get. Alright, so I really appreciate the packaging BookChore has chosen to do. They have provided a foam support to the books so that they don't get damaged. Now let's open and see which all titles. Okay. They also sent me 2 bookmarks. One is inspired from the Game of Thrones series. It says, I need more wine to think. And the second one says, Ye dosti hum nahi todenge. So these are pretty decent ones. And for 5 books, 2 bookmarks are pretty decent, I think. And oh, they also have sent a pretty note over here. This says, Hello Guriya, welcome. This is bookchore.com, the little bookstore for all your book needs. Hope you like us. Happy reading. So this is the note. And I really appreciate this gesture. Okay, now on to the books, on to the most favorite part, you guys. So these are the books which I have gotten. It also contains one hardcover. Let's show it to you guys one by one. So the first book which I placed my order for is The Lost Symbol by Dan Brown. It is in hardcover. Can you believe it, guys? And when I'll tell you the price for which I got this, you will be not a shock. So first of all, I had no intention of reading any of Dan Brown books. I don't know, there's not a specific reason to it, but somehow I find them intimidating. I find Dan Brown books to be quite intimidating. But I ordered this book only for the price point of view. You know, it was for 99 rupees, hardcover for 99 rupees. I mean, this is a steal deal. Now, I have no idea what this book is all about. I don't know the storyline, but one thing I know for sure is Dan Brown is one of the celebrated authors among the bookish community. So I cannot wait to delve into it, and I'm really looking forward to it. The book is in good condition. It is in good condition, and paying 99 rupees for this is a steal deal is what I believe. So yeah, I'm really excited to read this, and I'll update you guys, so stay connected. Alright, so the next book that we have, title is A Child Called It by Dave Pelzer. It says it is #1 bestseller. Now I think I got this book for 60 rupees or so, and the story circulates around child abuse, trauma, family, identity, and a lot more actually. Obviously, I have not read this book, but The blurb seemed damn interesting to me. I'll read out to you. As a child, Dave Pelzer was brutally beaten and starved by his emotionally unstable alcoholic mother, a mother who played torturous, unpredictable games that left one of her sons nearly dead. She no longer considered him a son but a slave, no longer a boy but an it. His bed was an old army cot in the basement, his clothes were torn and smelly, and when he was allowed the luxury of food, it was scraps from the dog's bowl. The outside world knew nothing of the nightmare played out behind the closed doors. Dave dreamed of finding a family to love him and call him their son. It took years of struggle, deprivation, and despair to find his dream and make something of himself in the world. Child Called It covers the early years of his life and is an affecting and inspirational memoir of one child's determination to survive. So, yes, the blurb says it all. It is a memoir. It is based on the author's personal experience, and I cannot wait to read this. Out of all these five books, I think this is one of the books which appealed to me more. And I don't know, somehow I'm able to relate to the painful books more. And do let me know if you think the same. So, yeah, A Child Called It by Dave Pelzer. Alright, so the third book that I have ordered for myself needs no introduction, and it is one of the very popular and loved books among the bookish community. It is Me Before You by Jojo Moyes. Isn't the cover so gorgeous? I'm in love with this cover. Anyways, I got it for 160 on BookHaul, and again, I do not know anything about this book except for the fact that it is a very emotional yet a romantic tale. But yeah, I do not know anything about the storyline, neither do I want to. I want to read it for myself and see how has this book been able to catch the love of the masses. Very, very, very excited. Next one which I got says Shopaholic to the Stars by one of the very famous authors, Sophie Kinsella. I mean, who doesn't want to read this author? Also, the book is in pretty good condition. It is not pirated at all. And can you believe it, guys? I got it for only rupees 59 on BookHaul. And as usual, I do not know anything about this book, but I'm very excited to read this one. And just look at the cover. I mean, I just have something for vibrant book covers. They look so appealing, so gorgeous, isn't it? Right, moving on to the next and the last one, of course. And how sad is this, guys? Like, if you ask me honestly, I would never get tired of unboxing new titles every day. Anyways, the last one we have is Many a Tear Has to Fall by John Jonker. I'm sorry, my apologies if I'm messing up with the writer's name, but can I be very honest over here? I decided to place my order for this book only for its title. Let's be honest, there are many book lovers like me who at some point or the other have decided to buy any specific book for its title, isn't it? But I have no idea what this book has to offer and to what extent this book can keep me hooked. But I really wish that this impromptu purchase proves worthwhile. And the book is in good condition. However, the pages have turned yellow, and I'm also not quite liking the font size, to be honest, but never mind. I'm eager to read this book because the title speaks volume, I think. So yeah, these are the five books which I ordered from BookHaul, guys, and I think my experience was pretty good. I did not receive any pirated book out of these, and I got really good deals, which you would be also agreeing with. And yeah, I'll mention the prices and the condition of the book on the screen bar. You can definitely check that out. And yeah, I hope you liked today's unboxing. I don't know, I'm blabbering today, maybe because I'm shooting a video after a really long gap, but pardon me for that. And yeah, I'll try to be very consistent from now on, and I have many good videos planned for you guys which I'll be releasing on my channel in the coming days. So please keep connected, and yeah, please consider liking it, sharing the video, commenting. If you have any query or suggestion, you can also follow me on my Instagram. I'll provide the handle somewhere here. And yeah, until then, be safe too. Well, keep connected, and thank you. Bye.